Come on, Bear. Get your seat in place. Hey, no, right here.
Hey, where you going? Too far.
Hey, Turtle Shell. What are you, Teenage Mutant Ninja High Chair? Stand up. Oh, you got your juice. Okay, well, you know what? Mommy is going to take your dinner and your tray into the living room. Are you going to come with me? Alright, where are you going to sit? Try not to sit in the sunshine. Good job. You want your tray? What do you say? What do you say? No, Bear, in here.
Flying chair.
Oh, you wanted to put it on the desk. Okay, sit down. Oh, you're crooked. What are you on? Okay. You fix it? Oh, yay! Do you want your dinner now? What do you say? Look at Mommy. Barrett, look at Mommy. What do you say? Thank you. Okay, we'll click it on. Say bye-bye.